Hey guys, a bunch of you were curious about how to change your default browser on your computer to be Chrome. So what you're going to do is you are going to open your search bar and you're going to type settings. Once that opens, what it's going to do is you're going to type internet and you will see where it says choose default web browser. You can do it that way and scroll all the way down to see where it says web browser. You're going to click it. Your options are Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge. You're going to choose Google Chrome. This is going to open up every time you use a web browser. It's going to instantly open up Google Chrome, and that's what we want for school. Another way that you can do it is you can go to Apps. You can click Default Apps. Scroll all the way down and still get the same feature. Okay, hopefully that helps.